In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this ergonomical keyboard, and as you guys could see, it is a full size and it prevents carpal tunnel. That's going to be my number one thing because my wrist hurts after editing videos and after working all day on the computer. It does have a palm rest. It does have 7 hotkeys, which I'm going to take full advantage of right here. And then it is 1.8 meters. I am from the US, so I don't go by meters, but it is a full-size keyboard. I found it a little weird that they actually mailed it out in this box, and of course I carved out my information. I am from San Diego, for those that are wondering. And here goes nothing. We're gonna open up the keyboard. All right. Pretty sure I just ripped a little piece of it. No big deal. Alright. That's pretty much it. It doesn't have a lot of moving parts. That's everything from the box right there. Okay, we're going to pull it off of this bag. It does come with a manual here. Nobody really reads manuals, but I might have to read this one to figure out how to put the hotkeys on there. Okay, the cord is pretty long. Let me undo it. Gotta see how long this cord really is. Okay, this cord looks like it's about 6 feet or maybe a little bit longer. Okay, it is USB. Okay, I'm gonna flip it around for a second just to see how it feels. Okay, that does feel natural. I do like the fact that it has the numbers because some of these don't have the numbers. Okay, you have the lights up on top, you have the cap locks, number lock, scroll lock, you have all that up here on top. I already mentioned they have the hotkeys. Let's see how this puppy is down here. Okay, so it looks like we could raise it from the back side. See how that is. Okay, I do like that better. Little raise, makes you rest the arms a little bit more, preventing carpal tunnel. So far so good. I do like this. Hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing.